Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina from Marina Art Design, and this is actually a follow-up video to my previous video, part 2, because I have updates and have news to share with you, and I also discovered more things on Canva website. But let's start with the update. I posted on my Twitter account, so let's say X account, link to my previous YouTube video, and I tagged Canva and I asked them, can Canva Element Creators upload public domain images as their own? Is this allowed? And then I also sneaked in a question that we all are asking, when we are going to get auto page numbering in Canva. Why not? And Canva actually replied, if someone uploads a public domain image to Canva and claims it as their own, I should use this link to report it, and also auto page numbering is not available yet, but they will share idea with their team for future updates. So that is also great news. I replied with a screenshot where this person admitted openly in Canva official Facebook group that she uploaded public domain images, to which they replied that they know how this is important, and can I submit a detailed report using special form that is for creators. And of course I said yes, naturally I can provide you with all the links, all the screenshots, all the evidence you need. Then I got email from Canva where they say, thank you for reaching out. Canva takes intellectual property rights very seriously and we will investigate, but we require further information about your claim. So this was the second part of communication coming from Canva. And the third one was when Canva Design Community official Facebook group actually approved my post. So this is the post where I describe with evidence and links everything that I described in my previous video, how this person is illegally uploading public domain images into Canva system in order to get money from Canva. Now, if you do not know how this system works, I'm not going to go into details. I'm just going to give you a short description so you can follow. Canva has free elements and pro elements. Artists can join Canva as element creator and upload their art into Canva, and they can choose whether to give their art for free or they can give their art as pro element. Of course, it doesn't matter free or pro, you still, as a user of Canva, you still have to follow the rules how you can use these elements. But let's say you are a free user of Canva, and let's say you find a pro image that you really like and you want to use it in your design. In that case, Canva gives you option to pay for the license rights to use that image. Now this is important. Once you pay Canva for that image, Canva gives the money to the creator of that element. So that is what happens if a free user wants to use a pro element. If you are a pro subscriber of Canva and you want to use a pro element, the moment you export your design with that pro element, Canva is taking a small portion of the money they are collecting from subscription and pays out the creator of that element. So it is pennies, of course. So that means the more elements you have, the more money you can get to create and design elements for Canva library. There are specific set of rules you must follow. You have guidelines you must follow. It takes time. If you already have somebody else doing all the images for you and they are publicly available on public domain websites, of course that is making all of this very easy to make money. But this is how you make money, by doing piracy. This is illegal. So this person uploaded almost 860, I believe, images. I will show you that later on, of public domain images into her Canva portfolio, and she's been getting paid for these images for over a year now, minimum a year. So this is my post that was approved. The comments are more or less the same. They are in shock. They cannot believe this is happening. Some people asked, how is Canva not preventing this? And I replied, it is not possible for Canva to manually check each individual image, and this can only be done by manually checking each individual image. So it's not normal to expect Canva to have somebody who is going to, or a group of people who is going to manually check thousands of images that are being uploaded into Canva library every day. And some person suggested that because this is public domain images, it could be a gray area, to which I replied, it is not gray area because Canva has a content agreement that every creator must sign, and it states clearly there that everything must be your own work. So everything that you upload into Canva system must be your own work. So by logic, that means public domain is off limits. Now this brings me to the actual post that started all of this. So this is the post of this person from February 14, where she shared that Canva approved her latest 60 elements collections of animal silhouettes. And like I said in my previous video, the moment I saw this horse, I knew it's not hers. Then I checked the rest of the elements, nothing here is hers. Then I checked her entire portfolio, nothing is created by her. And then I gave her benefit of doubt to see maybe she got permission. You never know. Maybe she got permission from Canva to upload public domain images, to which she replied that she did not get permission from anybody. She uploaded public domain images into Canva library, and according to this reply here, she believes this is allowed. This is okay. And then she added, if Canva asks me to remove them, I will do it immediately. To which I replied, that's not even important. What is important that you violated the rules. You'll be getting paid for over a year for artwork that you do not owe, so you stole money from Canva, and you also violated the rules because every person that used your element has been using it illegally in case that element was not legally inside public domain. So I explained all of this in my previous video, so I'm not going to go there now, but I'm going to show you the license agreement that we must sign if we want to use Canva as element creator. So this is that contributor agreement. And if you see here, it says any and all stock media submitted to the service must be your own original work. Now on this website here, you can check how the rules and the regulations on Canva has changed over the course of years. So I wanted to find out, has there been ever in the history a point where Canva was not clear what can be uploaded into Canva? So I went all the way back to 2017. Let's open that up in new window. So you see here it's archive, and let's scroll down, and no, it clearly states here, any and all stock media submitted to the service must be your own original work. So that is clear. There's no need to explain anything further. But I wanted to find out what is the difference between this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Here, between 2022 and 2023 and the current one, there are some new differences. Now, the reason why I know of these differences is because I got mail notifying me that they made some changes into this. But let me see what are the changes. So this is the old one. Let's scroll all the way down, and you see it stops with 4.3. And this is the new one, and the new one goes way beyond 4.3. So you have 5, 6, and 7. And this is the most important part. Now, I'm going to give you my opinion, and you can write down below in the comment sections your opinion about this. Why did Canva add this section here? The rule of your own work is pretty clear, straightforward. So here in this new section that was added last year, they say that your account can be terminated if you violate this agreement, if you continuously submit artwork that doesn't meet the guidelines. And I'm just going to give you an example. What would that be is some artwork you spotted on Canva, you can change the colors. You have the left upper menu where you can change the colors. So that means that artwork is actually vector. Now, if you are a Canva element creator, vector files must be formatted in very specific way. So if you have artwork that has multiple colors, let's say black and red, every element on your artwork that is black, Canva is asking that they must be grouped together and in one layer. And everything that is red must be grouped together and in one layer. So once you upload that to Canva and the user clicks on black and picks new color, everything that is black is going to be changed to that new color. If you upload element that has multiple elements that are black, but you did not group them, you did not layer them in one layer, you didn't put them in one layer, that is a technical error. So if you continuously upload images that have this technical error, Canva can terminate your account. If you submit media that is unauthorized, and that means duplicates of the same content, because you know the more elements you have, the more money you're going to get, resizing identical content, public domain images. Public domain images. Now, after I've seen this, it got me thinking, this what is happening right now with this person here with the images she uploaded. Obviously, this is not an isolated case. This has been happening in the past so often that Canva changed or expanded the explanation of the rules. So now they state you should not upload duplicates of the same content. So that means enough people did this to gain more money from Canva that they actually put it inside the guidelines. And public domain images are not allowed, which should be logical, but enough people did it in order for this to be inside the agreement license rules. And they also say that you should not harm anybody and you should not harass anybody. So that's also natural as well, logical as well. So those are the rules that we have from Canva. So maybe this person was just confused, but I don't see anything that would be confusing here when they say it has to be your own work. If it's public domain, it's not yours. It's simple as that. And this is my report. This is just 20 pages of my report. I filed this yesterday. And as you can see here, the images have been removed. So this image from public domain has been removed. This one's been removed, this one's been removed, this one, this one, this one. But they only removed images that I reported. There are over 800 images here. 800 images here. So right now I'm waiting for Canva to tell me, do I really have to individually report each of these images one by one? Or is this enough? I believed that it is enough. But this is the real problem. This is, when I saw this, I was again in shock. So in this case, I provided image from Pixabay, and here is the evidence of this image inside Canva library. And I provided this image that this person uploaded into her portfolio. And Canva deleted their own artwork. I mean, artwork that they have license for. So this was uploaded by Pixabay, and Canva purchased Pixabay. So they have rights to have this in their library, and they deleted the wrong image. You see here, this is the element from Pixabay. It's Canva. Canva has license. They do not have copyright. They cannot have copyright, but they have license to use this in their system. So this was here, and this is by her. And they actually deleted the wrong element. They deleted element that belongs to them because Pixabay belongs to Canva, and they have full license to have this image inside Canva, and they deleted the wrong image. I have no idea why, how. I mean, it's obvious Pixabay is yours. This is Pixabay. This is, I don't know why, how this happened and why did this happen. Of course, I sent them another email about this, that they deleted the wrong image, and now I'm just waiting for a reply from them. And also I'm waiting to see what am I supposed to do now. Do I really have to manually report all these images? So what that means is I need to do this, get the results here, find image source, find the link of this image. So this is the link of that image in public domain. Copy this image, copy the link, click on 3 dots, report, and paste that link. And I have to do that for each of these images one by one. So you see here, public domain. So I'm not picking, this is not picking. You see, I'm just doing in order. Every single image here is, let's find image source, public domain. If it's raw pixel, that is public domain. Let's see the cut. Let's see where the cut is. Here. Find image source. It's all these images are from public domain, which is against the rules. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this doesn't look right. Let's open this up. What do we have here? Oh, okay, this is premium. This is premium, so this is not public domain. This is Andre, but we also have it here as well. This is free pick. So let's see his portfolio. Let's see what is Andre cooking up. So right click, let's see, is Andre real? Vector-Z, let's see on Vector-Z. This is his image. Yes, this is his icon. This is his icon. So yeah, this is, oh, Houston, we have a problem. This is not public domain. Oh, this is not public domain. This belongs to Andre. This is a premium image. Okay, so this is a clear violation. So somebody uploaded this into public domain illegally from this guy, Andre, and she believed it's public domain, and now it is in Canva. Okay, so that is what I was talking about in my first video. Let's see, are we going to get lucky with this one? What's this? No, it's public domain. Okay, so this was, okay. So this is just sorted by Canva. And you see here, every image that you, let's go one with the color. Let's see this one with color. So every image here, you see it's from somebody else. So that is direct violation of Canva rules. I'm going to wait for Canva to reply. Do I really have to manually click on all these images and report them individually one by one? I mean, I can do it. I can buy popcorns, play some movies and do this for a couple of hours. But I hoped 20 links is going to be sufficient. Yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, ask me down below. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. The next video is going to be about Etsy. It is another exposing video, but I'm also going to share, if you are an artist, if you are a creator, if you are an illustrator, if you are a crafter, I'm going to give you instructions how you can protect yourself to avoid getting your art and your artwork stolen by others. And that is going to be in my next video, hopefully this weekend. I'm waiting for some more evidence to come my way so I can have all the paperwork ready. Until the next video, I'll see you down below in the comments. Stay safe, everybody. Bye.